इस इंटरव्यू और उस शो का कोई लेना देना नहीं
Disclaimer.
आज मेरी क्लास लगेगी अगले 10 मिनट में. Let's begin. Who would you cast as a judge, as a opposing lawyer and a politician?
Politician तो बहुत सारे हैं. अभिनेता कौन है, नेता कौन है, समझ में नहीं आता.
If SRK walks into Noyanika's courtroom as opposing counsel, one filmy dialogue you are going to use on him to defeat him.
सर बताओ ना सर, बताओ ना सर, बताओ.
कौन सा बाजीगर का कौन सा लाइन था? That one ना?
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
And Kajol still hasn't met her match in Bollywood banter.
That's a myth. I'm humble.
Who? Who? What? What's the spelling of it?
कुछ नहीं सर, वो हो गया जब.
We'll close. Hi guys, it's Ankita Bhala. You tuned to Bollywood Babble and today Kajol, Umesh and Jishu are going to tell me exactly trial पे है कौन?
Trial पे कौन है? आप.
Best.
Yeah.
आज मेरी
You
लगेगी
are the
क्लास.
person on trial, not us.
आज मेरी क्लास लगेगी अगले 10 मिनट में. Let's begin. I'll begin with you, ma'am. You said the season 2 is like revisiting an old wound. What was toughest to open the old wound in the context of Kajol or Nayonika?
I think definitely Noyanika. I think Noyanika is a character who has is multi-layered, and she is a character who cares. She cares about a lot of things. So she is slightly vain. Worries about society, what society has to say about her, is going to say about her. Worries about what society is going to say about her children. She worries about her children also. So there are a lot of things that she is, has to deal with, along with her insecurity about herself and insecurity about whether she is capable or not. So Noyanika is a very, very multi-layered character, very human character. And so she is like a lot of, I would say she's a lot like me. I would say that. But I've probably grown out of that. The insecurity part of it is not me. This is just not me. But I can act. I can.
Of course.
बिल्कुल.
Nobody's contesting that statement at all.
हाँ, तो वो थोड़ी सी acting कर ली, but she's a lovely character, and to watch her grow from season 1 to season 2, I have to give kudos to Umesh ji for guiding me through that entire very super complicated process of shooting it, and I'm super happy to see her.
Jishu sir, listen for you. Rajiv's love, regret, resentment, everything comes out too powerfully. The emotions are like all there. Was there any emotion which was difficult to sit with when you were performing him?
Not really, because again, going back to Umesh sir, he really helped me, and also Kajol, while doing few scenes with her, most of the scene which was like high energy scenes was with her also. It is about the co-actor I'm working with. That is very important for me. That it is about acting is all about reactions.
Correct.
And the way I was being pushed to act or to react is because of my co-actors, and it was I don't think it was difficult. It was challenging, of course. It was because I wanted to perform also, because I wanted to give it my best, and I don't know how it has come out. Obviously, it is releasing on 19th.
He's not planning to watch it also, by the way, FYI.
So yeah, that's my answer.
Umesh sir, directing a reckoning is different than directing a drama. And when you take over the reins from a previous maker who has had his own vision for a season 1, is it difficult to translate that into season 2?
I never used to copy in my exams. So, I used to work on my own and I used to give my own answers. So I live by the same trait even now. So as such, we were, working on something which was a great original. So I would rather go back to Good Wife, and I was a huge fan of Good Wife. And so my inspiration was that. And my challenge was to adapt season 2 of Good Wife into a wonderful season of the trial here. So that was my challenge. Of course, since a beautiful universe had already been created in season 1, I had to know it in depth. So that was my homework also. Besides knowing The Good Wife, I also had to know how it was translated into season 1. So in that way, it was an advantage. So I knew the sort of mistakes or good things which they have done in season 1. So my thing was that I already was starting on a good foundation, and I had to build a story and narrate it in the way I thought about it. So it was my vision and it was my narration this time. So it's going to be different, whether it's good or bad. That's we'll decide on 19th of September. But
On
yeah,
Jio Hotstar?
On Jio Hotstar. But yeah, it was
Pyar Kanun Dhoka, season 2.
dhoka. So yeah.
We have something called inside Bollywood courtroom. I'm going to give you a statement. You give me a one-word answer. I'm not going to make you do मेरी बहुत मेहनत. पक्का से.
Cool.
ये
Promise.
game है.
Game नहीं है, just questions based on Bollywood court films. So in case if you get them. I'll take with you first. If Nayanika had to borrow a courtroom advice from a Bollywood lawyer, Sunny Deol in Damini or Akshay Kumar in Jolly LLB, who would she trust?
Akshay Kumar and Jolly LLB, obviously. No two ways about it. Or maybe Munna Bhai MBBS. What about that?
नहीं उसमें कोर्ट तो नहीं था.
नहीं, लेकिन वो
अच्छा.
डॉक्टर था. वो चलेगा.
This is called out of
ये
box
out of
thinking.
court चलेगी, out of syllabus हो गया है.
Out of box thinking है बॉस ये मतलब आप लोग नहीं
डॉक्टर जाके
समझे।
लड़ रहे
ये
हैं.
अभी किसी दूसरे लेवल पे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं।
Umesha, this is for you.
Yeah.
If the trial was reimagined as a full-fledged Bollywood masala movie, who would you cast as a judge, as an opposing lawyer and a politician?
I think Sholay did wonders in casting. So Sanjeev Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan and politician. Politician बच
Yes.
गया ना? Politician तो बहुत सारे हैं यार। अभिनेता कौन है नेता कौन है समझ में नहीं आता।
Rajiv is politically ambitious. If you could pick one Bollywood politician character to mentor him, who it would be? I'll give you options. It could be Paresh Rawal in Nayak or Anupam Kher in Khosla Ka Ghosla.
अनुपम खेर, हौसला का हौसला.
That would be fun.
Fully.
Fully.
It would be like Munna Bhai MBBS.
You are coming. भाई ये फिल्म का ये ट्रायल का कंफ्यूजन आज मैं लेके जाऊंगी. थैंक्स मैम. नहीं होने वाला.
तो अब पता है ना ट्रायल पे कौन है?
If SRK walks into Nayanika's courtroom as opposing counsel, what filmy dialogue, one filmy dialogue you are going to use on him to defeat him?
What filmy dialogue am I going to use on him to defeat him?
सर बताओ ना सर, बताओ ना सर, बताओ.
कौन सा बाजीगर का कौन सा लाइन था? That one ना?
हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
This is not happening for you. But ठीक है, I'll do it. Your source. If a Bollywood line, if you have to secretly write in the trial, which one would you pick? If you
Secretly write,
as in like if you have to put it in the show, one of these film dialogues, like Tariq Pe Tariq from Damini or No Means No from Pink, if you had to integrate something.
I think we have said no means no in our way in the trial already.
Yep, so we'll stick to that.
Yeah.
Yours, sir. If you had to sing a Bollywood campaign song on his, like Rajiv has to sing a Bollywood campaign song in his political trial, which track from Hindi cinema he would use?
Which track from? कौन सा?
कोई वोट नहीं मिलेंगे राजीव को.
कौन सा?
Go ahead.
बता ही नहीं रहे.
आपस में खेल रहे हैं।
कोई तीसरा है ही नहीं. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई.
On Rajiv's campaign trial.
And actually,
अच्छा रहने
ट्रू
दो.
भी है.
अरे
नहीं, अभी सोचने दो ना.
so now you think of a different one ना?
नहीं,
That was a joke.
I loved it.
So Rajiv की campaign trial में मुन्नी
मुन्नी
बदनाम
बदनाम
है.
हुई.
I need therapy by the end of it.
We change it to मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ.
डार्लिंग तेरे लिए.
We have this something called objection game. You have to either defend it or object it. These are myths.
Okay.
Only myths. Courtroom dramas in Bollywood are always over the top.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
But it has changed. एक्सप्लेनेशन तो करना नहीं
नहीं
है,
नहीं नहीं
एक
नहीं
ही
हाँ
है।
आई एम जस्ट लुक आप मैं अब तो समझ गई हूँ यहाँ पे वन वर्ड आंसर्स में हम चलेंगे वी आर डन फॉर द डे पॉलिटिक्स एंड फिल्म्स आर मोर सिमिलर दैन वी एडमिट
Politics and films are more similar.
Amit.
Myth.
it's myth and Kajol still hasn't met her match in Bollywood banter
That's a myth. I'm humble.
Who? Who? What? What's the spelling of it?
कुछ नहीं सर, वो हो गया जब ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगा.
अभी इस इंटरव्यू की कोई गारंटी मैं नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं खुद कैमरा पे क्लेम कर रही हूँ इट्स अ लास्ट इफ नौनिका हैड टू पिक अ बॉलीवुड जूनियर लॉयर हु इट वुड बी somebody from fraternity if you have to pick as a junior lawyer
If I had to pick a junior lawyer,
Hmm.
who would it be? Umesh ji,
उमेश जी
Kumar
तंग
and,
कर दिया
Akshay Kumar and
Arshad
Arshad Varsi.
केस तो कोई नहीं लड़ेगा
वो अलग बात है, लेकिन आए. They are becoming my, helping me out in my this thing.
केस ना मिले ऑडियंस तो आएगा.
if Rajiv had to pick a Bollywood spin doctor a PR guru to fix all the chaos created in the show who it would be from Bollywood
वो हेरा फेरी में परेश रावल का क्या नाम था टेक्निकली?
भाई
बाबू
बाबू भाई.
बाबू राव.
बाबू राव.
Babu Rao will not fix anything for you. He'll just make phone calls which will land somewhere else.
हो जाएगा काम.
काम हो जाएगा.
100%.
And Umesh, if you had to cast a Bollywood judge for the season 3, somebody from Bollywood as a judge for the season 3 of the show, किसको लेंगे आप?
I would love to have Saurabh Shukla.
अरे यार.
He's already done such a wonderful, character in
Jolly.
Fab actor.
Fabulous.
so Saurabh is so wonderful as the judge.
That's going to be fun. I'm going to close this with you because this is a fan question which came. Everyone is excited to see you host a talk show. Exactly who's going to talk in that talk show?
That's the question of the day. I'll leave you with it.
इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा.
इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा और हमारा शो रिलीज हो रहा है 19 सितंबर को ऑन
Jio
जियो
Hotstar,
हॉटस्टार द ट्रायल
Trial
सीजन 2
प्यार कानून धोखा.
And I bet you have seen the first 2 episodes. It is exactly nothing like the conversation we just had. So please trust the process. Watch the show. Don't go by the interview. I request everyone. मैं देख के आई हूँ 2 episodes. इस interview और उस show का कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
Disclaimer. Disclaimer.
I will lose my job by the end. But thank you so much. We'll close.